Greetings dear subscribers. In my previous tutorial, I taught you everything about using smart guides in Adobe InDesign. However, in this tutorial, I want to discuss about most common issues that users face using smart guides in Adobe InDesign, and I will give solutions to the respective problems. Problem number 1. Objects are not snapping even though the smart guides are turned on. In this problem, I assume that you have tried all the methods to solve this problem, including using the shortcut keys Control or Command U, or going to the view, Grids and Guides, Smart Guides. If the problem is still not solved, go to Edit, Preferences, Guides and Pasteboard, and then make sure that all the boxes under Smart Guides are checked. After doing this, again make sure that Smart Guides is checked under View, Grids and Guides, and Smart Guides. Problem number 2. Smart Guides are grayed out. This is one of the most common issues in Adobe InDesign. When we want to use the Smart Guides, but it doesn't seem to work for some reason. And when you go to the View, Grids and Guides, and you find the Smart Guides are grayed out. I used to panic a lot in this situation, but no more. All you have to do is go to View, Grids and Guides, and uncheck Snap Document to Grids. Now, go back to the View, Grids and Guides, and see, the Smart Guides are back. Problem number 3. Inaccurate snapping. When working with Smart Guides, it is very important that Snap to Guides is turned on. This option is available in View, Grids and Guides, and Snap to Guides. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-Semicolon for Windows users and Command-Shift-Semicolon for Mac users. So, when you draw or align the objects, they can be snapped to the nearest point. Sometimes, objects are badly aligned in Adobe InDesign due to inaccurate snapping. Of course, this can be tedious and frustrating. There is a thing called Snap to Zone, which is present in Guides in Pasteboard under Guides option. Snap to Zone determines the exact range within which an object snaps to guides. So, if you define any value for zone, let's suppose the lowest value 1 pixel. Now, draw this square and another square as well. Now, drag the second square, hold Shift, and bring it close to the first square. See that these objects are not snapping at all. This is because each object has a range of 1 pixels to snap the object. They don't snap to anything beyond 1 pixel. In this scenario, it is best to zoom in very close to the objects and snap them. If you are working on small size projects, for example 10 pixels width and height, then it is fine to use the lowest values. Otherwise, keep it to 4 pixels, as it works with many medium-sized projects. If your page size is large, such as 10 feet or more, then we need to use larger zone size. Let's say 20 pixels or more. It would work fine, giving maximum accuracy. Keep in mind, the unit for snap to zone is always in pixels. Also, if you have both snap to guides and Snap to Document grids turn on, InDesign will give priority to grids. I hope this tutorial gave you useful information regarding all the problems in Smart Guides, and you will be ready for your next project. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I would be very glad to reply you. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.